Ganesh Upasana and Mantra Dhyanam. Be seated for Ganesh meditation. Close your eyes. Relax your whole body. Observe your own body, how you are seated. The nerve current in the left nostril is Idanadi. Manashakti or Parvati Tattva are the feminine energy. The nerve current in the right nostril is Pingala Nadi. Ichha Shakti or Shiva Tattva are masculine energy. The Shiva and Parvati are inside you. The masculine and feminine energy inside you. The Purusha and Prakriti inside you. Do not imagine any shapes. All symbols are subtle experiences. The Ganesh is inside you as just presence. Do not imagine any shape. The witnesser of energy and matter. Just as Ganesh was born out of Shiva and Parvati, the consciousness has originated from Pranashakti and Manashakti. The energy and consciousness are internal features. The Parvati is Parva and Ati. The excess energy or excess bliss. The energy has two polarities, the positive and the negative. Only the positive energy ascends from Mooladhara Chakra to Sahasrara Chakra. The incident of cutting of original head of Ganesh is the symbol for removal of negative energy. The negative energy starts the Shiva conjoining with Parvati. It prevents the consciousness becoming blissful. The Parvati removing the negativity to allow Shiva. Shiva implants the elephant head of positivity. The elephant head of fearlessness, creativity, power, purity, knowledge. Lambodara is the name of Ganesh. Lam is the sound of Muladhara, upward movement of energy from Muladhara towards Sahasrara. The Gauri coming out of Sahasrara is the same energy of Parvati at the Muladhara. Feel the qualities inside you without imagining the shape. Replete the qualities of self-confidence. You are the consciousness, awareness, alertness beyond Ganesh. Ganesh breathing into you, breathing through you, breathing out toxins, carbon dioxide out of you. Feel the presence, wakefulness, awareness, divinity. In the Prithvi Tattva, in the Udaka Tattva, in the Agni Tattva, in the Vayu Tattva, in the Gagana Tattva. Of everything inside you and outside you. Fill your heart, fill your head with the light of experiential understanding. Let the ignorance be driven away by the enlightenment, the experiential understanding of godliness. Ganesh is present inside as the witness, as divine consciousness. He is inside and all around. He is the seer, He is the seen, He is the hearer, He is the heard, He is the smeller, He is the smelt, He is the taster, He is the tasted, He is the toucher, He is the touched. Let each cell inside be full of experiential wisdom. The molecule of such cells is the Gana. You are Ganesh, Ganapati, and divine consciousness. Each moment of here and now is the truth. Each moment is divine. Let the consciousness be existential in the moment of here and now with the Karmendriyas and Gyanendriyas. The Gyanendriyas are also the Karmendriyas in an elephant. Each Indriya is total, holistic, and full in their participation and awareness. The whole ascendance to higher chakras is the path of spirituality. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahat, Vishuddha, Ajna, Sahasrara. There is no obstacle in the ascendance, no Vigna in the ascendance. Only the negativity, which was an obstacle, was removed and cut away by Shiva. It was implanted by positivity, the head of Ganesh. There is no negativity at all. Only the mind makes it something as negative, something as positive. Both the craving and aversion are two sides of the same coin. The tusk and the broken tusk in Ganesha are symbolic representation of Raga and Dvesha. The equanimity and awareness are the very qualities of an elephant. The Ganesha carries both the symbols of Ankush and also the Pash, the axe and the rope, maintaining the balance, driving ahead and lethargy. You are beyond both. This moment is divine. Each moment is divine. In no moment you should be afraid. You should be fearless. There should not be any bhaya, the fear. The symbol of Abhaya in Ganesh represents the same. Accept each moment as it is, without any expectations. Be open to everything that the moment gives you. Accept all the mysteries of life. Accept all the insecurities, uncertainties, inconsistencies, problems, challenges of the life. Accept them as the recipe for a joyful and thrillful living. Accept all that happens as Mahaprasada. Let each moment lead to the next moment. Do not attach to any moment. The Ankush, the axe of detachment, is a symbol of accepting every moment as it comes. Each moment is lived so fully that you do not have any craving for any moment. No residue left to be fulfilled. You have finished each moment completely. The experiential wisdom takes you to the next moment. The Ankush to cut away from the earlier moment. Accept every subsequent moment with joy, thrill, surprise, and bliss, and live the moment totally, holistically, The symbol of Pash is the Prem Pash, the love and aliveness in the moment. Only when you live totally in the moment, you will not have any attachment with the moment. You are the consciousness, and each moment is the Modaka or bliss. Every Kshana is the moment of happiness and bliss. Every here and now is the Modaka. Give the most to the moment and take the most from the moment. Every moment, Ganesh is knocking at your door. Do not imagine the forms or symbols to experience Ganesh. Experience the qualities and divine presence absolutely. Ganesh is knocking the door in the form of air, in the form of light, in the form of water, in the form of fire, in the form of energy, in the form of matter, in the form of space, in the form of nothingness. Every stimulus that takes place as sensory organs or organs of action is divine happening, a divine mystery, a divine experience. The Ganesh is a symbol to move ahead in life creatively with self-confidence. Very mind is the rat on which Ganesh is sitting. The rat is the symbol of analyzing, breaking, tearing, cutting. The rat is a desire in the person. It is the mind of a person. It does not allow synthesis and harmony. Mind is a deadly master, but it can also be an ideal servant if properly used. The vehicle rat is looking at Ganesh to take the orders. The mind becoming the subservient to the individual is a great tool in one's life. You are the ascendance over the mind. You are the Ganesh seated over the rat. The wisdom of higher consciousness permeated into each Kana and Gana. The trunk of the elephant is both Jnanendriyas and Karmendriya. Enhance the Prana Shakti and make the Prana Pratishtha through Pranayama. The snake tied onto the stomach is the symbol of Kundalini. Your potential is like a coiled snake. The optimized potential is tremendous. It is also a symbol of controlled acceptance, a sign of moderation. Madhyama Nikaya. Observe your breathing. Practice the complete yogic breathing of clavicular, thoracic, and abdominal. The complete yogic breathing will awaken the Kundalini. The ascendance to higher chakras is no obstacle at all. You are the Ganesha. You are the consciousness. The two small eyes of Ganesh are symbols of purity and innocence in me. Even though they are small, their vision is powerful. The elephant can pick a needle. The eyes are sharp, but no ego in them. The seeing is masculine energy, yet it balances with enough feminine energy. Let me carry the purity and innocence of Ganesh. The two big ears of Ganesh are the symbols of ability to hear and learn. Openness to the new. The hearing is the feminine energy. Let it balance with enough masculine energy. The ears and eyes of Ganesh touch each other almost. Let there be harmony in my sensory knowledge. Let all sensory organs ascend towards higher consciousness. Ganesh wins over Kumaraswamy even though he does not go anywhere. Let me be in the moment of here and now. In this moment is Satchitananda. In this moment is the Shiva. The here and now are the truth, consciousness, and bliss. It is the same energy, the Shiva cutting the head of original Ganesh, who is stopping the consciousness going towards the higher levels. The negativity which was stopping the ascendance was cut away. Let each moment be my Modaka, the Laddu. There is no Bhaya. There is no fear. The symbol of Abhaya, ruling in each moment of here and now. There is nothing to be afraid of. Everything is yours. Everything is you. Everything is to be practiced and experientially absorbed and experience the subtle divinity. The presence behind you, the witnesser behind you is the divine Ganesh. The symbol of immersion of Ganesh is to abstain worship and practice the real ascendance towards higher chakras. Idols are only to absorb the essence. Immerse the idols in water. Seek the truth. Observe your breathing. Be aware of your breath. When it is grass, observe. When it is subtle, observe. Observe the sensations. Whatever may be the sensation, witness it. The pain, the pleasure. Every sensation is a process of arising and passing away. All obstacles are only Maya. There is nothing to be afraid of. All obstacles are imaginary. All suffering and misery is only a virtual reality. It is a mind phenomenon. Whereas you are the spirit, the Atma. Observe all thoughts. Any thought that is descending into the mind. The very thoughts are the mind. You are the no mind. You are the beyond. You are the beyond of body and mind. You are the spirit. You are the witnessing consciousness. You are the beyond of even the Shiva and Parvati. You are the higher consciousness. You are beyond the names, beyond the forms, beyond everything. You are the divinity. You are the bliss. Be existential in every moment of here and now, with your totality, with all your karmendriyas and gyanendriyas. The whole body, like the symbol of Ganesh. Every analysis, every argument, every thought is of the mind. I am the beyond. I am the higher consciousness. Lam Lambodhraya Namaha. Gam Ganadipataya Namaha. Join both your hands. The left hand connected with the right brain. The right hand connected with the left brain. Joining the hands, you are integrating and harmonizing the brain hemispheres. The Shiva and Parvati conjoining inside you. The Ardhanarishvara has become the super consciousness. Feel the connection of each cell with the Supreme Consciousness. All the Kanas became the Ganas. Feel the Ganesh in your spirit. Let each moment is of divinity, is of higher consciousness. Visualize the prayer. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. From unconsciousness to consciousness, from the head cut unconscious person to superconscious Ganesh. Let the Shanti, the serenity, the tranquility, the peace settle inside you. Let the body and mind ascend towards higher consciousness. Let me be in the full awareness of Ganesh. Let all the states of mind, Jagriti, Swapna, Shushupti, lead to the Turiya of higher consciousness. Feel the Gayatri inside you. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Let all the three states, conscious, unconscious, subconscious, enter into the enlightened state of superconsciousness. You are the very ascendance of consciousness. The very equanimity is the liberation from the suffering and misery. Feel the Mrityunjaya mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyor mokshiyam amrutat. Let my three states of conscious, unconscious, subconscious become awareful and equanimous, so that the being is in enlightenment and superconscious. The single most, the smallest of the smallest, the tiniest of the tiniest is containing the whole existence. The whole universe is in the smallest atom, the Anatoranyana Mahatoranyana. The Kana and Gana is the Ganesh. Let each part, let each moment be with awareness and higher consciousness. All my five elements, the Panchatanmatras, the Bhumi Tattva, the Udaka Tattva, the Agni Tattva, the Vayu Tattva, the Akasha Tattva, let peace and tranquility prevail. Bhumi Mangalam, Udaka Mangalam, Agni Mangalam, Vayu Mangalam, Gagana Mangalam, the Surya Mangalam, the Prana Shakti, the Chandra Mangalam, the Manas Shakti, the Jagat Mangalam, the Jiva Mangalam, the whole inside you, outside you. Let everything fill with total consciousness. Let each moment, let each particle fill up with the Ganesh. You will be the winner, the Vinayak, the victorious Nayak. Let each moment replete with success and satisfaction, health, happiness and harmony, peace, power and prosperity. Deha Mangalam, Mano Mangalam, Atma Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu, Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu Bhavatu Bhavatu. The body, mind, spirit and everything in the existence is divine, whole, total and enlightened. Slowly we will externalize. Let all the sensory organs be sensitive to the outside. The eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, the skin. Try to hear the sounds from distance. Try to hear the sounds from this room. Make a movement of the body. Move your shoulder. Move your waist. Move your legs. Move your feet. Move your hands. Move your wrist. Move your fingers. Tighten up your face. Tighten your jaws. Tighten your eyes. Rub your palms. Apply the warmth on your face. Rub your palms. Apply the warmth on your eyes. Cover your eyes with your palm. Slowly open your eyes. Close your eyes. Look through the gaps of your fingers of the palm. Get adjusted to the light and slowly open your eyes and withdraw your palms. With all positive feelings, look around with full divinity, self confidence, creativity, peace, tranquility, health, happiness, and harmony, awareness, equanimity, and bliss of Ganesh. Feel the energy of Ganesh. Aham Brahmasmi. I am the infinite Shiva. Be positive for whole existence. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply through mouth. Exhale deeply thrice. Inhale through yogic breath, combination of abdomen, thoracic and clavicular. Exhale with the mantra Om in Ujjayi. Inhale godliness, exhale evil. Inhale truth, exhale illusion. Inhale enlightenment, exhale darkness. Inhale immortality, exhale death. Inhale illumination of intellect, exhale ignorance. Inhale liberation, exhale misery. Inhale freedom, exhale bondage. Mentally repeat Om to all gods and goddesses. Mentally repeat Om to all directions. To all parents, to all the stars and planets, to all the masters, to the whole of existence.